Millions of people in South Africa depends on the Social Security Agency money known as the Sassa money. So stay tuned for more information about Sassa.
Hi guys, welcome to Elevate Your Career with Coco. I know you're worried about your June SASSA payments, so in this video I'll be taking you through your June payments, your SASSA grant June payments. So please stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Millions of you are wondering when you will be receiving your June money. But here is the information you need to know. Grants distributed by SASSA includes the Older Persons Grant, Disability Grant, War Veterans Grant, Care Dependency Grant, Foster Child Grant, Child Support Grant, Grant in Aid, and the Social Relief of Distress Grant known as the 350 Grant, the SRD Grant. Grants beneficiaries will need to keep up to date with their payment schedule in order to receive their payment on time. The following are the dates that you will be receiving your SASSA grant payment dates for June 2026. For older persons grant, you'll receive it on the 2nd of June 2026, disability grant on the 3rd of June 2026, and as for children's grant and any other grant, you will receive it on the 4th of June 2026.
These are the following shops that you can go look for your SASSA money for. An example, ShopRite, Boxer, Pick n Pay, and many more other retails. Also your ATM store if the money reflects in your bank card.
The following will be the amounts you will be receiving for the month of June. For older persons grant under 75, 2,400, older persons grant over 75, 2,420, disability grant 2,400, war veterans grant 2,420, care dependency grant 2,400, foster care grant 1,320, child support grant 580, grant in aid 590. And as for the SRD grant, payments are usually paid during the last week of the month after verification checks have been completed.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take note that SASSA does not work on holidays and also on weekends. Please do not go look for your money on holidays or weekends.
All grant beneficiaries are required to always keep their details up to date, like your card number, like your cell phone number. Make sure it's always up to date.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please watch my ads. I am begging you, please watch my ads so that I get a little bit of something. It's been 3 months just waiting for $1,000. Please subscribe. Thank you, and I know that you're going to do it. I know you're going to watch my ads, and the next video will be about TUT students, where I'll be showing them how to apply at TUT basically. So stay tuned. Please like, comment and subscribe and share with everyone that needs this information.